I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be replacing the stock battery terminals on my H3 Humper. Once these are loose, we can go ahead and disconnect the terminals completely. I'm going to go ahead and remove my battery as well. With the battery removed, I've got a little bit more room here to work. I'm going to go ahead and take a grinder and just cut these wires nice and clean back here. A simple alternative to a grinder would be using wire cutters, as shown here. And I scored the insulation on the wire with the wire stripper, and now I'm just pulling that back. Those look good, and I'll go ahead and install them. Since these are all so tight, I'm going to go ahead and install all three at once. Now I can pull the sleeve back up. There we go. I think that looks really good. Now I'll go ahead and reinstall the battery. I'll connect the battery terminals, starting with the positive. Everything's reconnected, and they sure do look good in there. So there you have it. That's my method of changing battery terminals on my H3. See you next time.